Hello everyone, how are you doing? So I have been waiting eagerly on my packages and they finally arrived. So yep, we have two and we're going to open this one first. I was hoping that they would be here yesterday but they weren't, but they're here now. Let's get this thing open. A little card from Moss Goblin. Is it Moss Goblin? I can't remember. Anyways, it was a gift. That's it, Moss Goblin. I can't remember. We got some newspaper. And here he is. This is a little boy and it's going to be Ivy's boyfriend. So we're going to pop this guy over to the side in a second. And yeah, we're going to open the next box. Look at him. So this box right here is from the Spider Shop and I am so excited. So let's get it open. Well, attempt to get it open. And it went off to the wrong side and still attempting. There we go. Packing peanuts. Now as always with the Spider Shop, there is a box inside of a box. So let's get that right out. Here we go. Here is the second box. It's lovely and warm. And we're going to terribly open this up as well. I need a box opener. That's what I need. Yep, as I said, badly open it up. Here we go. It's Peter the Packing Peanut. Hold on a minute. It's Peter the Packing Peanut. Much better. We're going to put Peter and his friends out the way and proceed with the unboxing. Of course, I have to have a spy first. You guys don't get first spy. Look in there. Now, I will explain what these are in a moment. You guys are just going to have to be patient. I mean, gathering by the thumbnail, you know. Look, one molted. Alright, here's Peter's friends. We're just going to move them out the way. And double check that that's it, because the thought of me throwing something away kills me. Like, thought of an animal being in them packing peanuts. Oh. In the box is also a little Nhandu Chromatus. I am so excited because I have one that I named Shiloh. Now this one's a lot smaller than Shiloh. Shiloh's like about 2 centimeters. This one's possibly just hit 1 centimeter. So we've got this little pot that I've made up and we're gonna house this little guy. Make a little burrow. I will add a cork bark and some moss as well. But here we go, little guy. Welcome to your new home and welcome to my zoo. So small. Look at that little one. Oh, look, you can see the little stripes on its legs. So cute. Now let's move on to the Mantises, Mantids, Mantis. However you guys say plural for mantis. So this is a giant Asian mantis. And it is a little male. He's a bit bigger than Ivy. I think he's like a molten front. But oh my god, his colouring. Come on, little one. Look at this little boy. Not shy in the slightest, super friendly. I just think these little things are amazing. Let's show you his house. So this is his little setup. I need to put some substrate in the bottom, of course. There he is, just chilling on top. And yeah, he is beautiful, and his enclosure is nice and simple because obviously he's going to be molten and I don't want anything to be in the way. Once he's an adult, we'll add more stuff or get him a bigger one if need be. So as you can see, he's not shy. And I decided to name him Weasley, because obviously he's a copper colour and he's gorgeous and I'm a Harry Potter fan. So for all them reasons, his name is Weasley. What do you think of your new home, Weasley? We now have a Nhandu, I do believe, Mantis, and this is the little man. Now, as you can see, he's super sweet. He had no problems with getting on my hand. Oh my god, the lighting shows up hairs on my hands. That is gross. But anyhow, look at this little boy. Oh my god. Just look at the coloration on this boy and the spikes on his arms. He's gorgeous. Well, he looked to me like he was looking on my hand for something. And I was like, you look like you need a drink, buddy. He's so cute. So in a second, we'll get him a drink. He definitely looks like he's looking for something. I placed the little guy down to see if he wanted a drink because he was definitely looking on my hand for something. I don't know whether it was a drink or food, but you know, he's travelled quite a way, bless him. And yeah. Let's see if he wants a drink. Just as I go to move the cup, this little guy decides, you know what, I am quite thirsty. So let's watch this little guy slurp up these water droplets. It is adorable. I decided that his name was gonna be Thorn because of his little spiny legs and the fact that he looks like a little bramble bush. So Thorn it is. What do you think of that name, Thorn? My lord, he looks so adorable. Thorn decided he liked the look of my phone as I was recording, and this was the result of that. Such curious little things. Anyways, this is his setup, and there he is getting settled in his home. Next we have same species, and she molted on her way here. Yep, this is a little girl. She was super scared to the point that she actually ran out the cup and just bolted. I was like, oh my god. Look at the little molt she brought me. We'll look closer at that later. But for now, oh, she's getting friendly, look. She wants me. Hi. So I decided to go with the name Maple for this little one because maple tree, and obviously maple syrup is sweet, just like she is. She's rather scared, so I'm going to get her put in our enclosure and get her feeling safe. This is her little enclosure. I'm going to be adding again substrate to it for the humidity. Look at her, man. Anyways, let's get a look at these molts. Now I was surprised that they both molted during transit. This is Thorne's molt. It is quite intact, as you can see. He's just super chill anyways, so I mean, yeah. He molted and moved on and was like, yeah, okay, cool. Whereas Maple's little molt is in pieces. Bless her, she must have been so stressed during the travel. Poor baby. Here's me trying to pick it up. Sorry for the shitty view. But look, it's even got our little eyeballs on. Well, not eyeballs, but eye covers. Look at that. How sweet. So anyways, guys, I'm going to let them get settled in. And I will update you guys on them really, really soon. Oh, there's a leg. It's a molt leg.
1 hour later.
As you can see, Weasley is munching away happily now and is loving life in his enclosure. As is the beautiful little Thorne. He is no hands eaten and looks to have a fly in his clutches as well. Greedy boy. Oh, you can't hunt more. I've already got a handful and a mouthful. And the beautiful Maple has done the same. She has one in her hand and one in her mouth, bless her. So they are settling in really nice, and I'll update you guys soon. Thanks for watching.